3 days ago, I tried to set up a profile on Fiverr offering a service, and after publishing like 2 gigs, I tried to check on Fiverr to see if my gig is actually feasible to buyers or potential clients on Fiverr platform so that they'll be able to find my gig. So unfortunately, I can't see my gig on Fiverr search after trying to search with different kind of keywords to see if my gig is actually in there, but unfortunately I can't find any of my gigs. So the next thing for me is to do is just try to wait for some days, because I know sometimes it actually take a while before Fiverr can actually publish your gig on the Fiverr site so that people can actually be able to find your gig, and maybe they are doing some review on your gig to see if the gig actually match up and also follow their terms and conditions on the platform. But at the end of the day, I wait for like 2 to 3 days, but definitely I can't find my gig. So what I did next, the next thing for me to do is just to reach out to the customer support and see what's going on there. So I sent a message to Fiverr customer support to see what is actually going on, and here is my reply, and here is what they replied me on my email. So they sent a message that I sent a message to them that I published a gig on Fiverr, but at the end of the day I can't seem to find my gig on Fiverr side. So then they sent me a message that I'm happy to inform you that your gigs blah 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 is actually been reviewed by our editorial team and now approved. They are now available on the Fiverr platform. So this means that they definitely decide not to let these gigs available be published on Fiverr site and or be published on the platform. So if I did not actually reach out to them to know what's going on, definitely that's how the Fiverr account will just dead and I won't be able to find the gig. And I know that many people have been in this kind of situation whereby they don't know what they have to do next. After, like, some people even don't know that they have to check their gig to see if it's actually on Fiverr site or not, and then they will definitely know the kind of solution to use when this kind of issue actually occur. So then I try to send a message, and this is the reply they give me. And after they send me this email, I check the Fiverr site and to see if my gig is actually available. So trust me, both gigs are doing perfectly well on Fiverr side, and I can see both gigs on Fiverr side. So I'm happy with that. But I sent another message again to the Fiverr support to know what's going on. So the message I sent next is that, is this actually the new method that Fiverr actually use to publish gigs on Fiverr, or probably when sellers publish their gig on Fiverr platform, is it a must for them to always review every gig on Fiverr before those gigs actually goes live on Fiverr platform? So this is another reply which I got. So this is well detailed message. So this is Mena, and this was the message she sent to me. So you can just read through everything, but at the end of the day, this is what I actually have to share with you so you understand what's actually going on there, and based on the video title as well. So in addition to this, we always recommend checking the status of your gig by following this link. Once there, you need to select gig doesn't appear in search and choose which gig would you like to check. So this sounds like the best way to even check if your gig is available on Fiverr site or not. I've seen this kind of link before, but I can't actually remember, and I think that's what I should have actually do in the first place. Maybe not, because if that actually happened, and if I actually did that, maybe it will pull a trigger to the Fiverr support to see if my gig is not available on Fiverr site, and if that software or if the platform actually tell me that my gig is not available on Fiverr site, maybe they will definitely fix it. So after clicking on this particular link here, so this is where I end up, and with this I see a lot of features in there. So create a gig, edit my gig, gig status, get your gig statistics, and then gig not found when searched. So this mentioned that this is where the issue lies on if I end up in this kind of situation. So I can actually just click on this, then I will choose on my gig on which one of my gig is not actually available on Fiverr site. So then I can just select the gig, then from there I will proceed to which of my gig is not actually available on Fiverr site. So this is just the right way to figure out if your gig is not available on Fiverr site or if your gig is not being published on Fiverr. So this is just what I actually have for you if you are a newbie and you don't know how you can actually proceed if you end up in a situation like this. So this is just the best way for you to figure out and fix your gig that is not available on Fiverr site. And sometimes you just have to reach out to the customer support to know what is actually going on, so that you definitely know where the issue is coming from. So I don't really actually support you clicking on my gig is not found. If your gig is not published, you still have to reach out to the customer support to know what's going on, and then they will be able to fix the issue for you without any stress. So I'm also trying to make a video on how you can actually drive massive traffic to your Fiverr gig and some other features, and that will definitely help you as a seller or as a new seller on Fiverr platform. And even if you are a newbie on Fiverr platform trying to sell a service on the platform, so the video will help you in driving organic traffic. And you can also watch some of my other video on Fiverr as well, how to promote your Fiverr gig, how to edit, how to create Fiverr gig that will definitely make sales on the Fiverr platform. So this is just how you can actually solve your gig problem. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it really means a lot to me. Share this video and also like this video. This will also trigger the YouTube algorithm to showcase this video or show this video and recommend this video to anyone who is actually looking for how to solve their Fiverr gig issue and also rank their Fiverr gig, or basically anything about Fiverr itself, so or freelancing to be precise. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.